In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending topics on Google Trends. If you're brainstorming content ideas, researching what the world is curious about right now, or simply trying to stay ahead of the conversation, this is one of the fastest free ways to see what's capturing attention in the moment. First, go to trends.google.com. You can type that directly into your browser's address bar. This takes you to Google's official Trends homepage, which tracks the popularity of search topics over time. No special account or setup is needed. You're just a click away from real-time insights. When the page loads, you'll notice a clean layout with navigation at the top and highlights showcasing what's happening right now across the web. Next, click Trending Now at the top. This is the hub for the hottest searches as they surge. On this page, you'll see a stream of topics that are spiking in interest. Each item usually includes the topic name, a short description or related headline, and signals of how fast it's rising, like indicators of search volume and how widely it's being covered. Think of this as a dynamic pulse check. It refreshes frequently and reflects what people are actively looking up in near real time. As you scroll, pay attention to patterns. Some topics explode because of breaking news or pop culture moments. Others build steadily around major events, product launches, or sports schedules. Not every spike is relevant to your work, so use this page as a filter for ideas that make sense for your audience. If a topic connects directly to your niche, it's often a good candidate for quick coverage. If it's only loosely related, consider a practical angle that genuinely adds value, like a concise explainer or a timely how-to that aligns with the emerging interest. The context included with each trending item is helpful. Look at the short summaries and any indicators of broader coverage to gauge staying power versus short-lived hype. Also notice whether a topic seems globally interesting or tied to a specific place. That can help you decide how to frame your content. To get the most out of trending now, act while the interest curve is climbing. Capture the core question people are asking, keep your explanation clear and accurate, and avoid overpromising. When a topic involves sensitive events, be thoughtful and rely on credible details. That's it. Go to trends.google.com, then click Trending Now at the top. Use what you find to spot timely, relevant ideas and revisit this page regularly to stay one step ahead of what your audience is already searching for today.